Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. High temperatures from today, a little deceiving because these happened right around midnight this morning, technically. And as we roll through the rest of this evening, temperatures are not going to look this warm. In fact, tomorrow they likely won't be this warm either. You take a look here over the next 24 hours, we're looking at air temperatures dropping down into the teens. And then we've got our overnight lows getting down into the teens, daytime highs in the 20s. That'll be a nice little change of pace for us, but not much warmer than what we had today. This afternoon, we were in the mid-20s. Friday gets better. 38 for us as we roll into our Friday afternoon. We do have a rain and snow chance in the mix, though. And then Saturday, as some lingering snow showers slowly fade away and the sunshine comes back out, the cold settles in once more. There is some relief on the other side of the weekend, though. I can't wait to show you what those temperatures will look like. You can see already we've got a couple of these showers, snow showers still showing up on radar, but not a lot has been making it to the ground here for us. A zoom out shows that there's the low that's moving off the Carolina coast now, still giving us a little bit of that influence here across the region. That's where the cloud cover will likely stick around from overnight tonight. Patchy fog likely to develop for us again, a mixture of partly to mostly cloudy through a good chunk of the day tomorrow. Some sunshine in there, but in the afternoon, another quick little wave rolls in. Can't rule out maybe a few flurries for us through the later part of the day as clouds linger into Friday. Then we're talking about the next clipper coming in. Here's your cold front pushing some of these through. Notice how, though, there's some greens, pinks, and blues all in the mix for us. All of those are going to lead to the opportunity for some slushy stuff, kind of like what we just saw the other day there, with more rolling into southeastern Kentucky through late Friday, and then some hit or miss streaky snow showers for us overnight Friday and into very early Saturday morning before high pressure comes in to open things up. What we're thinking here in terms of the potential of accumulating snowfall, rather minor for us for the most part. Maybe another slushy inch in there. We want to dig in a little more details. This could be a near miss, really 75 and eastward has the best chance to see some of that snow. And if it keeps tracking east, it could be clipping far eastern Kentucky, and a lot of us could be just with some light flurry activity as we go into later parts of our Friday. So that's the one thing we're watching, really where this track lines up. As we go into Sunday, Monday, we're talking about a nice warm up for you with temperatures thawing out, 40s and 50s in the mix for us early next week to allow things to really melt. We could even see some overnight lows that are going to be above freezing. It comes as the southwest flow takes over in our mid to upper levels, and that allows for an above average temperature outlook pretty much for everybody here across central and eastern United States. To put that into perspective, we're supposed to average about 44 for a high and 26 for a low. So 50s are going to be in the forecast for us to get those above average trends going. That will help take care of a lot of the snow and ice we've got on the ground right now. Not to mention you get a little extra melting Friday and Sunday before those warmer temperatures kick in. Of course, once we start to get a little warmer, though, any little system that comes by brings us the chance for some light rain. We'll be watching how that plays out into the middle of next week.